Okay, the water that's coming in through the ceiling, just to show, it's coming through the light, which does have water still in it. If you look up here, you'll see where the paint is bubbling. The water mostly came in through the light fixture. There's also water coming in through the little door that's up there by the pipe. And then it's gotten onto our floor. And as you can see, it's poured all over our toilet. And then it's gotten all over the stuff that we have here on one side. Here's the water. It's pretty gross, yellow in color. And then we have our two rugs here that are completely soaked. And you can see it's about an inch of water, but we have very absorbent bath mats on the floor. And see, we have a couple of things on that side of the toilet as well that have also gotten wet. And it is definitely smelly. It's very gross and yellow. Let's put the flash on for a little bit here.